Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and for those of you that are new here, I love my Instant Pot, and I'm in my kitchen every Sunday sharing a new Instant Pot recipe or tip. And today I'm here to answer one of your most asked questions. How do I clean this thing? The Instant Pot can be notorious for smells lingering, and that's thanks to this inner ring. But there's a lot of things that you can do to combat that, and there's a right and a wrong way to clean your Instant Pot. So let me show you exactly what I do to give my Instant Pot a good deep clean. The first thing you want to do is make sure your Instant Pot is off. That is very, very important when you're working with anything electrical. Unplug it, make sure that it's off, and then you want to remove your inner pot. Never, ever, ever do you want to pour water or anything with liquid inside your pressure cooker base. This is an electrical appliance. Don't submerge it in water. Instead, take off the lid and the inner pot and clean those. For your inner pot, it usually just wipes out clean, but if you find that there's a lot of residue at the bottom, steel wool works great. For your lid, you want to first take off your inner ring and set that to the side. And then just wash the top and bottom of your lid, give it a good rinse, and let it dry. Now, to tackle your inner ring, if it's just a little bit dirty and you didn't make anything with a pungent smell like chili or curry, just give it a good wash on the inside and outside, and then let it dry thoroughly before putting it back on your lid. If you've made something like Instant Pot chili or curry, your inner ring may really smell. So I have two things that you can do to combat that. The first is take your inner ring, place it in your inner pot, and then place in one denture tablet. Cover with warm water and let that soak for an hour. And that really helps to combat that smell. If you don't have denture tablets or don't want to purchase them, you can use baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar both work to eliminate odors. So sprinkle in some baking soda into your inner pot here, just like 1/4 of a cup, and then add in some vinegar. It creates a little chemical reaction, and that really helps to rid that ring of its smells. Then once your inner ring has been cleaned and dried, if it still has some smell, a great tip is to take a freezer safe bag, pop a dry inner ring into your freezer safe bag, and store your inner ring in your freezer. That way you won't have any lingering smells in your kitchen. And then just make sure that you take your inner ring out and put it back on your lid on your Instant Pot so you don't have problems with your Instant Pot sealing later on. Now, every once in a while you need to do a deep clean on your Instant Pot. And how to do that is you want to take off your lid, take out your inner pot, scrub your inner pot, let that dry, clean your inner ring really well. You want then to carefully take off the pieces of your lid. Pop off your vent knob and place it into a container of hot soapy water, and then carefully pull off the seal on your float valve with your hand underneath your float valve so you don't lose it, and place that in hot soapy water. Let that soak. Drain it off carefully. I usually do this over a strainer so that I don't have my float valve or little plastic piece go down the drain. And then dry it off and put it back together on your lid. To clean around your Instant Pot, use a Q-tip around the lid just to get rid of any debris that may have built up. To clean the outside of your Instant Pot, you're just going to use a lightly damp rag and just give it a good rub. You can rub the top as well, but never ever place your rag or anything wet inside the base of your Instant Pot. You can also place your inner pot and your lid on the top shelf of your dishwasher. I rarely do that because first of all, it takes up a lot of room. Second of all, I'm using my Instant Pot a lot. A final tip for cleaning out your Instant Pot is the condensation cup on the back of your Instant Pot. People forget about this and it can get nasty. It just pops right off your Instant Pot, rinse it out, let it dry, and pop it right back on. That's it. Now your Instant Pot is clean and you're ready to get back cooking. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope this helps keep the nasty smell out of your kitchen and you can get back to pressure cooking. Until next time, happy cooking.